Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Before I start the video, I want to open up to you guys about an issue that we have been having under this roof, and that is my dog Bambi's overweight problem. If you have seen him in my videos throughout the month, you have seen that my boy has been getting puffy and fluffy and fat. So there's a reason why you guys have not seen him over the course of the past 2 months, except for last week's video, obviously. And what I did was, as I put my pride to the side, he put his pride to the side, and we started training. We got up every day at 6 o'clock in the morning, went out for some runs around the block, and I feel like he is now ready to show you guys his new body transformation. Hey yo DJ, play that shit. So as you guys can see, my boy lost all that weight. He lost all that fat. I feel like total he lost was like 0.75 pounds of fur. So my boy is looking shredded. He's looking cut, but he did lose a lot of muscle in the process, as you can tell. As you can tell, he skipped arm day. Ready to eat some protein, bro? You need to eat some protein, my man. Anyway, guys, in today's video, we are going to continue our hamburger series. I feel like hamburgers are something people crave on the regular, and I feel like you could have them every single day. So in today's video, we are traveling to Hawaii, and we are gonna make a double pineapple teriyaki burger. That's gonna be, it's under 450 calories, 40 grams of protein, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So with that being said, welcome back to Josh vs. Fitness. Let's start the video. Alright guys, so for our first move, we're gonna grab some parchment. I'm gonna put my paper on top of the scale, and we're gonna weigh out 5 ounces of lean ground beef. A little side note here, if you guys want it to be even lower calorie or less fat, substitute the beef with chicken. You can make a teriyaki chicken burger. That will be amazing. But today we're gonna use beef because we're making a burger, and burgers have beef. So 5 ounces of beef, and we're gonna roll her into a nice little ball. You guys have seen me do this before. Once she is a nice little ball, we're gonna put her in the middle, put another parchment paper on top. Use any seasoning you would like. I'm gonna use crushed black red pepper, a little bit of onion powder, some pink Himalayan salt. I'm not a big fan of the sugar-free sauces, so this one's the full sugar one. One serving is 19 grams. It's only 35 calories. All right guys, next we're gonna grab 2 slices of center cut bacon. Now that our bacon is done cooking, we're gonna use that same bacon fat that's on the pan. It's not much, but it's enough to incorporate some flavor to the meat. So once we flip our burger, we're gonna get 2 slices of pineapple. We're gonna throw them into the pan, drizzle a little bit of teriyaki sauce on top of it, let it get some color, let it char up just a little bit, and then we'll be ready to assemble. So for the most optimal taste, you guys should get your bun. Toast it in the air fryer or your pan for a minute. Put some Pam spray on it, butter spray. After a minute, you should be good to go. Gentlemen, we have made it to today's taste test, and you guys can see right here, we have a monstrous double pineapple teriyaki burger. And before I dive into this, I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys a passage from the Macro Bible. All right guys, so for this Aloha double pineapple teriyaki burger, we have 422 calories, 40 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of fat. This burger right here, excuse me, sir? Sir? Is there a problem? This burger right here that is oozing with flavor, that has some sweetness, has some saltiness. Okay, dude. Here, let's go. You act like you're a pit bull, bro. You act like you're a pit bull. You ain't gonna do anything, dude. You're a poodle. You're not gonna do anything. Anyway, guys, this burger right here. This dog, man, I swear. You can have this burger right here, oozing with flavor. It's sweet, it's salty, which is everything that your body craves for under 450 calories. I mean, it's a win-win situation. Like, what are you waiting for? Get in your kitchen, make this right now. Satisfy your cravings. Wow. This one right here, man. This one right here is a banger, without a doubt. I kind of wish I had some jalapenos, but I don't. So we're gonna put a little bit of sriracha in here. Oh man, this burger is amazing. 400 calories, 40 grams of protein. What the hell are you waiting for? If you add this sriracha to your burger, it'll skyrocket the flavor. Definitely going into the greatest hits, man. Definitely going to the greatest hits. Until next time, my friend. If you're craving a burger, whether it be a teriyaki burger, a cheesy burger, a double western burger, and have some more ideas coming soon, there is no reason why you guys cannot enjoy a big, hefty monster of a burger and fit it into your caloric intake. It's very simple, guys. These burgers are legit not lacking any flavor. You guys could eat burgers every single day of the week. That burger was amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it this far, please like the video, please subscribe, and you guys already know, I'll see you. This guy keeps barking, it's pretty annoying. I'll see you guys on the next video. Love y'all.